Welcome to School from Home. Hello students, welcome to Political Science class. Today we are going to start chapter 2, Rights in the Indian Constitution. Before starting the chapter, we must know what is the meaning of rights. Rights होते क्या हैं? एक सिंपल लैंग्वेज में बताया जाए तो राइट्स हमारे क्लेम्स हैं. क्लेम ओवर दी अदर इंडिविजुअल, क्लेम ओवर दी सोसाइटी एंड क्लेम ओवर दी गवर्नमेंट. लेकिन वो क्लेम हमारा राइट कब कन्वर्ट होता है? जब वो क्लेम हमारा रीजनेबल हो एंड व्हेन दैट रीजनेबल क्लेम इज अप्रूव्ड बाय द सोसाइटी and when that reasonable claim after the approval of society sanctioned by the government, then it become the right. एक हमारा नॉर्मल क्लेम जो हम चाहते हैं हमें हक मिले, वो हक हमारा राइट्स में तब कन्वर्ट होता है जब वो रीजनेबल हो and it is approved by the society and sanctioned by the government. So today we are talking about the fundamental rights in the Indian Constitution, which is mentioned in the part 3 of Constitution of India. There are various parts of Constitution of India, means there are 25 parts of Constitution of India, and fundamental rights are mentioned in the part 3 of the Constitution of India. So I have written here that fundamental rights, and in part 3 limits on these rights have also been mentioned, because our fundamental rights are not unlimited. There are some limits on these rights. Now second part we are going to do is importance of the rights. अब इन राइट्स की इम्पोर्टेंस क्या है? फंडामेंटल राइट्स की सबसे बड़ी इम्पोर्टेंस इसकी है दैट दीज आर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनली गारंटेड. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनली गारंटेड मीन्स कि जो चीज़ एक बार फंडामेंटल राइट्स अगर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में मेंशन कर दिए गए हैं तो इट मीन्स दैट नोबडी कैन स्नैच योर राइट्स फ्रॉम यू, एंड इफ एनीवन इज स्नैचिंग योर राइट्स यू कैन चैलेंज इट इन दी कोर्ट. आप कोर्ट में जाके अपने उस राइट को क्लेम कर सकते हो एंड यू कैन क्लेम दी कंपनसेशन ऑल्सो, और यू विल बी गिवन रेमेडी for the same. Then Bill of Rights. What is Bill of Right? The cluster of rights, or we can say list of rights mentioned and protected by the Constitution. So word protected by the Constitution. From whom we want protection? So rights may be threatened by the individual, may be threatened by the private organization, or may be threatened by the actions of the government. So we need the protection and it should be protected by the Constitution. Now fundamental rights. There are some features written here about the fundamental rights and some background also, that during the freedom fight some popular leaders like Motilal Nehru, at that time he formed one committee and demanded Bill of Rights in 1928. उस समय उन्होंने 1928 में जब वो फ्रीडम फाइट कर रहे थे उनको रियलाइज़ हुआ कि देयर मस्ट बी सम नेचुरल राइट्स गिवन टू एवरी इंडिविजुअल. सो he formed one committee and demanded from the British rulers. Now the word fundamental make them special. That's why some fundamental rights are written separately and they are protected under special provisions. And these fundamental rights are different from other rights. There are so many legal rights, there are so many ordinary rights which are enforced by ordinary laws. But those ordinary laws can be changed by the government. But these cannot, fundamental rights cannot be changed because these are constitutionally guaranteed. फंडामेंटल राइट्स को चेंज करना मीन्स कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को अमेंड करना, जो कि हम नहीं कर सकते. जुडिशरी हैज़ द पावर एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू प्रोटेक्ट दी फंडामेंटल राइट्स. हमारी जुडिशरी के पास, सुप्रीम कोर्ट के पास, हाई कोर्ट के पास पावर है कि वो हमारे हर राइट को प्रोटेक्ट कर सकते हैं फ्रॉम द एक्शंस ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट, एंड फंडामेंटल राइट्स कैन नॉट बी वायलेटेड बाय एनी इंडिविजुअल और द प्राइवेट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और एनी गवर्नमेंट. इफ दे डू सो then the judiciary can declare their action illegal. So judiciary has the power to declare illegal the actions of the executive as well as of the government. And next important feature is that rights are not absolute. ये हमने पहले भी डिस्कस कर लिया था कि rights are not absolute or unlimited. there are some reasonable restriction on the exercise of our fundamental rights. So these were some features of the fundamental rights. In the next video session, we will continue with the fundamental rights. You know that there are 6 fundamental rights mentioned in the Constitution. So we will read it in detail in the next video. Till then, stay home, study from home, and be safe. And do the assignment which is uploaded on the school website. Thank you.